Hello, my name is Olesya Nikolenko and I am an owner and creator of Mosaic Professionals. Today I would like to show you how to make gorgeous nude nails and how to choose the perfect matching shade Cover Pink. Nude nails are very popular and there are a lot of different Cover Pink gels and gel polishes on the market. When you choose the Cover Pink gel or nude gel polish, always try to see how it looks on the nail. Sometimes the color looks nice in the bottle, but then after you apply it on the nail, it doesn't look beautiful anymore. When you choose the nude shade, apply a drop on your nail and see how it looks. And if you really like it, buy with confidence. But there are so many different skin types in the world. How to match all of them? We have two collections of Easy Cover gel paints, 12 beautiful colors for nude nails. The gel paints are soak-off and flexible, so you can use them everywhere from gel polish to builder gel. Now let's see how they come on the nails. For this set I choose 3 shades: Moscow, Stockholm and Ottawa. I already built the nails using Zephyr gel. It matches most of the skin types very nice. I start with beautiful grey shade Stockholm. Make sure to start with a color application on the edge and then work down from the cuticle. Oh, I love it, it's so beautiful. Now just paint the half of the nail with this beautiful grey color and leave the rest pure Zephyr nude shade. Now let's make 2 color gradients on one nail. Apply Moscow on one side. Make application always the same, edge first and then down from the cuticle. Then apply the grey tone and combine them like this. Easy, with Easy Cover. Done is always out of the company. I will make it special. Now cure everything in the lamp and overlay with top gel. I choose the perfect top gel because it's very universal and I love its viscosity. Look at this elegant and gorgeous manicure, light and so natural. Colors in Easy Cover collections are made to match each other. Doesn't matter how you combine them, it will always look very good. Stay tuned for other educational videos and subscribe to my channel to become a pro with Mosaic Professionals.